This is how you use a protractor. First, put your protractor here at this line place, and then you measure the angle by looking at on top of the line. That says a 90 on it. When it's 90, it means it's a right angle. Same here. We are going to measure this angle. You put this line of the protractor here, and then you measure that the line like this. It should be 147. See, this is how you use a protractor. If you are going to measure this angle here, same. Put your line here, and then you can measure the angle. 56. That's a acute angle, and this is an obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degrees. And an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. This is the straight angle. It is 180 degrees. This is how you use a protractor.